Chicken Saturday soup.
Listen, everybody knows that Jamaica do the best soup. You know what I mean? No tomato soup thing around here. Best flavour.
Wow. Guys, if you got a cold or flu, this will definitely help you
Best
beat
remedy.
that flu, guys.
Saturday soup, you know. It's Saturday as well, so give it a try.
Mount Zion is I home, and I say any day from now, I didn't know. Calling all Rasta man, no more will I and I roam. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. You know, sister Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come, 'cause Babylon done. From England straight to America, even down here in the valley of Jafasica. Japan straight over to China. Fire burn the all slave master. In a Babylon there's a disaster. Well, I can't get no food nor no water. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come, 'cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. You know, sister.